problems using unit step function. Suppose we have the function f of t equal to t in the interval 0 less than t less than 4 and 5 for t greater than 4. Then we must find out the Laplace of f of t. So first we must express this one as f of t equal to. So this one is t is nothing but f1 of t and phi is f2 of t. Then we can write it this as t into u of t minus 0 plus we subtract these two phi minus t of u of t minus 4. So here we can use the lower limit and the upper limit. Then we find the Laplace for this one. So first what we do, we find the value for this one separately and this one separately. So Laplace of t into u of t minus 0. So here this one we can write it as, what is Laplace of t? Laplace of, here this one we can write it as e power minus 0s into this one we can find out Laplace of t directly, so that this become 1 e power 0 is 1 and t is 1 by s square. Similarly, Laplace of phi minus t into u of t minus 4 is there. This is the form of Laplace of f of t minus 4 into u of t minus 4. So here f of t minus 4 is nothing but phi minus t. We cannot find out the answer for this one unless until if we modify f of t minus 4 as f of t. So to make this as f of t, replace t as t plus 4, so that if we modify this one we get f of t here, and here phi minus t is nothing but t plus 4. So we get phi minus t minus 4 equal to 1 minus t. Now we apply the Laplace for this one. We get the answer 1 Laplace of 1 minus t. That is 1 is 1 by s minus s t is 1 by s square. Now we write the answer for this one. Laplace of phi minus t into u of t minus 4 we can write it as, so this one we can write it as e power, here minus 4 is there, so e power minus 4s into Laplace of this one we got the answer as 1 by s minus 1 by s square. Now we write the answer, this is 1a answer of 1 and this is 2a answer of second one. If we write the answer together we can write it as Laplace of f of t is nothing but, the first one is 1 by s square and second one e power minus 4s into 1 by s minus 1 by s square. So we discuss the next problem. So here we had only the function changes from 1 to 2 limits. Suppose we have the function f1 of t, f2 of t, f3 of t. Example, f of t is cos t in the interval 0 less than t less than pi, 1 in the interval pi less than t less than or equal to 2 pi, and sin t for t is greater than 2 pi. So we must apply the unit step function. So unit step function. So first solution, first we write it this as f of t as cos t. So we can leave as it is cos t here if we have only 0. Otherwise we must write u of t minus 0 plus next one 1 minus cos t into u of the upper limit u of t minus pi plus we must subtract these two sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. So first link we have discussed how to write these things. Now this one is 1, this one is we consider as second part, this one is third part. We solve it this one. 1 is Laplace of f of t. This is 1. Cos t is the Laplace of cos t. We can write it as s by s square plus 1 into e power minus 0. It is nothing but 1 by it is 1. So answer is s by s square plus 1. This is first part. Here second part. What is the second part? F of t minus pi is, here u of t minus pi is there. So f of t minus pi is nothing but 1 minus cos t. So we must find out first Laplace of f of t. So what we must do? We must replace t as t plus pi. So that this one we can write it as f of t. Here right hand side 1 minus cos of t become t plus pi. What is t plus pi? Cos of pi plus t is nothing but sec third quadrant cos is negative and the ratio will be remain same. So this one we get 1 plus cos t. So here Laplace of f of t is nothing but 1 by s plus cos t is s by s square plus 1. This is the second one. Third one, here what we have, t minus 2 pi is there. So f of t minus 2 pi I is nothing but sin t minus 1. So what we must do? We must replace t equal to t plus 2 pi. So here this becomes f of t. Now right hand side sin t can be written as t plus 2 pi minus 1. So here t replacing as t plus 2 pi and here constant is there, we cannot substitute the values. So now sin 360 degree plus become first quadrant sin positive and 360 degree the ratio remains same. So sin will be sin and we can write it as sin t minus 1. So Laplace of f of t is nothing but sin t can be written as 1 by s square plus 1 and 1 can be written as 1 by s. Now here second one is what? Laplace of 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi. So here what we get? This one, okay, this one we can write it as e power minus pi s into this answer 1 by s plus s by s square plus 1. Similarly, this one Laplace of sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. So you can see here, so we have sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. This can be written as e power minus 2 pi s into this answer 1 by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. Now write the answer together. Laplace of f of t is s by s square plus 1 plus e power minus pi s into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 1 plus e power minus 2 pi s into 1 by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. So this is the answer for the given question. Cos t in the interval 0 to pi, 1 for interval pi to 2 pi, sin t for t greater than 2 pi.